for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, alloy wheels, keyless start, four-wheel drive, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.